Hey, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to make your button element in Email Dino. Here on the page, you have complete options to customize the button according to your need. And you have also see a live preview of the changes that you make here. Now on the top of the left, we have two tabs. Design and Details. In the Design tab, you can change the button color, text color according to your theme. And you can change font style, text size, text weight, whether you need normal or bold. You can change the button height, or if you need to increase or decrease the gap between the text and the button borders, you can do it from here in the padding fields. If you wanted to increase or decrease the top padding, you can do it from the first field. In the second field, you can increase or decrease the right padding. In the third field, you can increase or decrease the bottom padding. And in the last field, you can increase or decrease the left padding. On the last, you have an option to give your button rounded corners. Now moving forward to the Detail tab. In the Detail tab, you have two fields, Button URL and Button Text. In the URL field, write that URL where you want to drive your traffic when your customers click the button. In the text field, you have to write that urged your customers to click. For example, click to have free ebook. Here you go. Now you customize the button according to your need. Now on the top right corner, click the Save button to save your element for the next time. Click the Get Code and copy the code in your email template. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.